Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply custom CSS styling to shop page only using custom CSS class in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen we are in shop page and we are going to apply CSS on shop page only. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code to create custom CSS class. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. By using this class we are going to create custom CSS class for shop page only. Now you see custom shop, so this is our custom CSS class. By using this class we are going to apply custom CSS styling on shop page only. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down, you see custom CSS class custom shop. So we are going to apply CSS by using this class on shop page. Now go to shop page. On top you see customize, so open it. Now customize section open. Scroll down, we are in additional CSS, so click on it. Now we are going to add custom CSS to apply on shop page only. Now go to shop page. So we are going to change font color of product title. Now right click on it and click on inspect. So we are going to find CSS class for this product title. Now inspect element open. Now you see class product title. Now go to additional CSS and now add custom CSS we created using custom code dot custom shop, and then we are going to add this class product title, copy. Now dot class, and then you see link A. Now go to CSS. Now add hypertext reference A. Now we are going to change font color for product title only on shop page. Now right color red, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page, refresh the page. Now you see product title change on shop page only by using custom CSS class. Now open product page. Now you see product title custom CSS not apply on product pages, just only apply on shop page. By using this code we create custom CSS class for shop page only, and then in custom CSS section we added our custom CSS class, then add product title class, and then hypertext reference, and then change color. So you can add custom CSS according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.